shipwreck, a storm, and a grand revelation born.
The name of this play is The Journey of the Saint, El Viaje de la Santa, by César de María. He's a contemporary Peruvian playwright who's had many productions in Lima, which is the capital of Peru. So I was so excited to choose this play for our next main stage.
But at that moment, there was a knock at the door.
Juan, open! It is urgent. You must save me.
Heaven has heard me.
And it's based on historical facts. Takes a lot of poetic, dramatic license on these historical facts. So the year is 1796, and two theater artists are entrusted with the mission to take the mummified remains of a saint, Santa Fortunata, a martyr from the early Christian era, across the confines of the known world.
The Santa Emilia!
We come on behalf of
Betty.
During the 2-year journey, the two artists, one is a Catholic, the other one is an atheist, they face great dangers to go from Cádiz in Spain to Moquegua in Peru, and they live incredible adventures.
You will die by the hand of God!
Oh, they've eaten her down to the bone!
Tommaso.
Patience. Paciencia. Look at the fog coming down from the heavens.
They made fun of us, but that night, after a brilliant and thick fog, the worst storm in the history of the sea began. The storm ceased. It's a miracle, Tommaso!
It's not a miracle, my friend. The mariners in Genoa taught me that at this distance from southern Spain, when a fog appears, a storm will always fall.
Milagro. Miracle.
There's so many current themes in this play, but it's set during the time when Jesuit priests were expelled from Spain. It is a voyage. It's a voyage play that takes place over a 2-year period.
It was the saint! All fall to your knees before her splendor. We owe our lives to Fortunata.
This play deals with faith and doubt and fake miracles and true faith, false faith.
Land.
Run!
Land.
Run!
It's America! It's America!
When we decided to do this play, we realized that it had a lot of a potential for music. So my feeling was to create a sort of a live musical soundscape.
Tommaso Heretic, and I go. So Rose, did you want him coming in over the chords? No. Okay. So,
Vita, vita nostra, tellus nostra, vita nostra.
All the sound effects had to be natural, wood, metal, percussive, bells. And so along with the company, we're creating a soundscape.
It was important to me to do a translation of César's play, which is originally in Spanish, to take that musicality and his amazing imagery. He's so much fun. And he uses some contemporary words mixed in with kind of old world words. So it was important to me to find that musicality in English. I love the English language as much as I love the Spanish language. So for me it was fun delving into that.
I wrote a book about theatrical tricks.
Tricks? How to make snow fall out of paper?
Yes, and how to make someone bleed or disappear or float into the air.
And why should the Inquisition care about that?
Well,
I suppose it competes with the church. Perhaps it is too much lying and it offends God.
nothing offends God, but the church is offended by everything.
The main theme is faith and doubt, how some people have absolute faith. It could be in a system, in a God, whatever it is. And then there are people who doubt. but one of the lines is in the play is faith is not faith without doubt. So in other words, you can't be faithful unless you've doubted your idea, your absolute truth. So that for me is a really interesting premise.
What you have done is a sin.
Sin is for Catholics. For me, it's only word.
But they believe they are adoring the Mother of Christ, but in truth they are worshipping a falsehood, an idol, a golden calf. You are submerging them in a world of hell. Do you understand me?
An image is an image.
It is not a holy image.
The priest blesses it, and presto, he blesses this rock, and it becomes the saint. È così, that's the way it is. No pasa nada, there's no problem.
What do you mean there's no problem? And what happens to their souls?
So there are some very tragic moments in the play, but it's a comedy, so it's full of comedic relief, and it's full of music, and it's really fun. It's a really fun play.
A crazy group of wandering players traveling the world, staging this strange tale, making believers out of people. Because someone up there asked me to be a comedian. And I promised her I would share this story with everyone.
Come see The Journey of the Saint by Cesar de Maria, directed by me, Rose Cano. In it you will see puppets, pirates, priests, Peruvians. September 14th through 30th, just in time for Hispanic Heritage Month, at ACT Theater in downtown Seattle.
Sic clamat vita, vita nostra, tellus nostra, vita nostra.